Every day we hear complaints from renters about housing problems, so we're finding out what rights renters have. News 10's Rodrika Taylor investigates what renters can do when they have problems with their landlords.
That's right, Dalford. Many people are wondering what rights they have. The professor I spoke with says in the case of dealing with a lousy landlord, people need to know they have rights and they should exercise them to protect themselves.
When you're dealing with landlords like this, okay, they don't care about nothing but the rent being paid.
Ivan Martin says he has been living in his apartment for about 7 years. He says there has been several issues in his place he has brought to management.
Mold issues, electrical issues, in addition to flooring issues that hadn't been addressed. I feel that they're in violation of their lease, which is a contract.
The management says they have told Martin to move out to make repairs, but under the terms of moving into a smaller apartment, Martin declined.
I'm very familiar with the Landlord-Tenant Act, and it makes me feel like, okay, the tenants really have no rights.
Mark Roark, a professor at Southern University Law Center, says renters do have rights.
They have the right to demand from their landlord that certain repairs be made to the premises when those repairs interfere with that basic right of habitability.
He says the landlord has 14 days to make the necessary repairs.
What the law does give you is it gives you the power to go about and make those repairs yourself and then to deduct the value from your rental payments.
Roark says renters have to keep records of the landlord not fulfilling the rental contract.
One of the issues is whether tenants actually have the resources to carry out that kind of repair.
He says to be aware of what's in your lease and keep records of reports.
If you have the ability to contact the lawyer, to write a letter and to remind the landlord of his obligations to make certain repairs to the premises.
We have on our website a link to a guide that explains Louisiana landlord and tenant law. Rodrika Taylor, KLFY News 10.